broke. 3 months ago, I was flat broke. Ramen for dinner. Hated my job. Scrolling YouTube, watching other people live my dream. But today, I make $50,000 every single month from a faceless YouTube channel. Never showed my face, not once. How? I'm about to show you the exact system, step by step, zero secrets. But first, let me show you why 97% of people fail. Listen, faceless channels made 1.2 billion last year. Billion with a B. But, and this is huge, 97% of channels never hit 1,000 subs. Never. Why? Because they're doing exactly what the algorithm hates. Mass-produced AI slop, copy-paste scripts, robot voices that sound like GPS directions, stock footage from 2014. And then they cry, YouTube is dead. No, YouTube's not dead. You're lazy. The algorithm doesn't care about your face. It cares about one thing: retentional, long people watch. Generic AI garbage, viewers gone in 15 seconds. Algorithm learns, stops recommending you. Dead channel. I did this too. My first 10 videos, 342 views. Total. Embarrassing. But then, everything changed. I found a niche, exploding, but almost nobody doing it right. Business case studies, rise and fall stories, binge watch content. Still fast, but waited. But here's what changed everything. I didn't just tell the story. I visualized it. Premium stickman animation. Looks like it costs thousands. Costs less than a coffee. First animated video, 200,000 views, 48 hours. Zero to monetized in 6 weeks. Not 6 months, 6 weeks. RPM, $22 per 1,000 views. Gaming channels, 2 to 5. I'm making 4 times more per view. But ads, that was just layer 1. Let me break down the exact system I used. And I'm going to be brutally honest about costs, tools, and time. Step 1, niche selection. Not what you like, what pays. Finance, $15 to $45 CPMs. Business docs, 10 to 25. Gaming, 2 to 5. The math is simple. Step 2, the voice. 11 Labs V3, Pro version, not free. Why? Because viewers hear cheap AI. They click away. Hello, welcome to my channel. Dead, boring, gone. 11 Labs V3 sounds human, emotional, trustworthy. They stay. Step 3, visuals. This is where channels die. Stock footage, generic, boring, dead. I use premium stickman animation. Every scene matches every sentence, every emotion, every beat. Step 4, the script. I don't write scripts, I engineer them. Hook, problem, breakthrough, system, proof, call to action. This isn't art, it's architecture. Step 5, monetization stack. Layer 1, ADS. Layer 2, affiliates. I recommend tools I use. Get paid when you sign up. Layer 3, digital products, templates, courses. Layer 4, sponsorships. Brands pay me thousands for 30 seconds. 4 income streams, 1 video. That's the system. Every video follows a 3-act structure. Unlock premium content to get subscribers. You want proof? Here's the proof. Month 1, 12 videos. Cost per video, $47. Revenue, 0. Not monetized yet. Grinding. Month 2, 18 videos. Hit the threshold. 1,000 subs. 4,000 watch hours. First AdSense check. $830. Month 3, 21 videos. 1 video hits 2 million views. AdSense, 14,000. Affiliates, 11,000. Digital products, 25,000. Total, $50,000 in 30 days. And the crazy part? Those videos keep earning every day while I sleep, while I eat, while I make the next video. Passive income, actually passive. But let me be real with you. This is not get rich quick. I work 12 to 15 hours a week. First month, learning, failing, adjusting. Invested $200 before making a dime. Most people quit week 2. 5 videos, no views. YouTube is dead. It's not dead, you're impatient. Creators winning right now? Not the ones with fancy cameras, the ones who show up every single day with something worth watching. So here's my challenge to you. Stop watching, start building, pick one niche, create one video this week. It won't be perfect. It doesn't need to be. It just needs to exist. The gap between you and people making 50K a month? Not talent, not luck. They just started. If this helped you, smash that like. Subscribe for the full Blueprint series. Drop a comment with your niche. I'll reply to the best ones. I'm InPhone Fox. Next video, my exact editing workflow, step by step. See you then.